It's Dr. Emer. I want you to come in close and show you what we're doing. Come on in close. We are now using the Rohrer device. This is called Pixelate for skin tightening. This is using gold-plated needles. You can see all these needles here in a fashion that's delivering energy deep under the skin. This pinpoint bleeding is really good because this is telling us that we're getting under the surface and we're gonna get a lot of tightening. The important thing here is that we're in Boca at 5th and Wellness. And this is our first Boca clinic. Super busy, you guys. We're very excited to have amazing clients here today. My beautiful patient here today said she would do live to teach you guys because I love to educate. This is the newest player on the market for skin tightening. And I love combining this with lasers. I love doing this as a solo treatment for acne scars. You can also do this for textural improvements like fine wrinkles, which is why I'm going over her crow's feet a little bit extra with the needling. And in each area, we do a specific depth. So I'm gonna increase the depth as we go on the rest of her face. So go ahead and turn. She's using the cold air. How does it feel, would you say?
Not bad at all. Little pinpoints. A little more intense there.
Got it, by the ear.
Yeah.
So I like to do, really detailed and meticulous, you guys, not jumping too much. Definitely turn your head left so we could show them a little bit more. So you can show them, get up close, show them exactly what we're doing. The goal is every area is treated. With a lot of other devices, you have to do multiple passes. With this one, the energy is so strong that you only really need to do a single one where it's just overlapping. You can see we're going really close pulses, and you can't really, what's amazing about this, yeah, it looks a little bloody right now, but over the next few hours, that will clear. It'll almost look like she had nothing done. What are they saying on there? Tell me about the comments.
What are the comments? They're saying hi.
So they're saying, hey guys.
Yeah, they're joining.
Hey guys, welcome to Boca. Any questions are they saying? So this is something I would combine with lasers. I would do every 3 to 4 months. You could do it even a little more frequently if you want a higher degree of tightening or you want improvement in scars. I'm just trying to be really meticulous with the treatment. And the key for this to not have a lot of pain is to have numbing on for a long time, at least an hour. That's what I always tell people, at least, sometimes even a little more. You could do nerve blocks if you wanted, but she's really strong. I know, like above the lip, by the ear, and on the forehead, it hurts a little bit more. You guys could see the pinpoint bleeding, but we're gonna get those lip lines. We just wanna get her improvement. The other thing is every time you use energy devices on your face, you decrease the rate of skin cancer because you're turning over damaged skin cells. So she just, over time, you have sun damage. So this will help reverse the sun damage and improve the quality of the skin. What are they saying? Anything else? So for those interested in the Rohrer device, definitely pay attention more to my social. This is a newer company with competitive devices. This is going to be a leading competitor, Morpheus. No one knows yet which one is better. We've been doing a lot of treatments. My patients will let us know in the next few months. And you can see, I mean, it definitely is delivering strong amounts of energy into the skin. I'm gonna go back to that little sensitive area. I always go back to by the ear at least a couple times. I think it's really important for tightening. And then lift up your chin and then look to the left a little more. You gotta get the under part of the neck. This is, yeah.
Can you say the name of the device again?
Yeah, Pixelate. Show them right there. It's right on the handpiece. You definitely should tell them a little bit about the clinic. And then also, this is Pixelate. Competitors are Morpheus, ND-Med Intensive, Infinity, Scarlet, Secret. There's so many radiofrequency devices out now. Question is, do they actually work?
Good question.
We don't know. You have to do studies. We know Morpheus is the key player, but right now Pixel is the newer one on the block, and everyone's saying that it is better and gives us more improvement. So we will find out. We're doing a really nice setting on her, so we get a nice degree of tightening. And most of my patients say that even with one treatment of the radiofrequency, they see improvement.
Any downtime?
You know, you can go to dinner tonight. It's red. You look a little bloody right now, but that goes away. It's not really any downtime. I tell people maybe a day or two where you don't do a steam room or a hot tub, where you don't submerge in water, but in terms of the look, you can put on my tinted SPF Fusion Shield and be fine that night.
Which I love.
Oh, do you like my Fusion
I
Shield?
love it.
Thank you. It took me 2 years to make.
Oh, it's
Vitamin
fabulous.
C, it has a marine extract in it that helps tighten the skin. It also has a tinted SPF, so I love it because it just makes your skin look good. And we will
That's
have
wonderful.
2 other tones coming out next year in March, medium and dark. And so I really like this for this area, you guys, because crepiness, looser skin. We just want that thin, sort of sensitive skin to, you know, tighten up.
So if you had filler, how long do you have to wait?
You don't have to wait. You can do it immediately. You do it right the same day. And actually, if you inject Sculptra on the same day, it actually builds a little bit more collagen, in my opinion.
Other parts of the body?
You can do it anywhere. You could do it on the arms. You could do it on the elbows. You could do it on the knees.
And you would want patients to do this in a series?
I would love for people to do this at least 2 or 3 times closer together and then every quarter. And if they have scarring, obviously we'll treat them a little bit differently. Okay, go ahead and turn to the right.
What's the maintenance?
You guys can see, that's what we just said, every 3 to 4 months.
4 months.
Oh yeah. You could do it as much as you really want, combining it with any lasers, but at least every 3-4 months after that to maintain. All right, you guys. So that is our Boca Pixelate treatment. If you guys have any questions, write in jasonemermd.com or email us at jasonemermd on Insta. And any of your questions, ask us when we go live here in Boca. Bye. So end and save. You did great on live.